Hey subscribers, thank you so much for being with me all these years. If you were here with me from the very beginning, we've been through a lot together. And I just want to invite you to my next endeavor. It's called the Soap Maker Studio Circle. And it's for people just like you, whether you're beginning, whether you've been in the industry for many years. I'm inviting you to join this community that I am creating on School, the Soap Makers Studio Circle. It's going to be full of lessons. It's going to be full of challenges. We're going to have camaraderie. We're going to have questions and answers. We're going to do Zoom meetings if you want them. And we are going to do all the things that we need to do to ensure that if you're a beginner, you can learn everything that you need to learn. And if you're a seasoned soap maker and you want to share your projects and you want to do collaborations, you have a place and a space where you can find that. So the link is below, Soap Makers Studio Circle. Please join me there. It's a very low introductory offer, and I am so excited to invite you to this.